That was my view this morning. Hello. I'm still in Krościenko na Dunaj. One more day of my car trip. I spent a night here, again up park for a night. Wow. What a place. Rooms on this street for today are like 50 euros. I see the man with the goats.
Żeby iść tu w nasze centralne pianiny, to jest kuska, a ten koziołek.
He's a famous musician from here, but he retired and now he's just raising goats. What's up? He is the best. Main star of Krościenko for me. I'm leaving my bike here attached. Please don't steal it. Lovely. Yogurt and paprika szczeciński, that's my diet. Let's walk around Szczawnica and I'm gonna drive home to Brno. Rafting, it's super popular on this river. It looks like AI, but it was made by an artist here. I have a place to sleep in Szczawnica. Empty, old building. Empty villa, old. Szczawnica is famous because of the healthy water. I think that's the last day. Szczawnica, it's weird. So many empty buildings. What is this place? That was probably hospital or something. Whoa. So many empty buildings. Szczawnica feels weird. People visit this place for the famous water, something like that. One thing that I miss this car camping trip is gym every night for shower and workout. Back to Dunajec. I left my backpack inside. I want to test one thing, pump track. This is amazing. Time to drive home, eat blueberries, clean this car and maybe Baltic. Pillow, this mattress. In summer I only use this warm blanket, that's enough. That's it. Time to drive home. Bike inside. On my way home. Bruno, how are you? Bruno. This bike is amazing. That was a nice trip. I think I spent like 60 euros on fuel and food. Small foldable bike, that's a game changer. Time for a soup. Be right back. Because anyone wants to buy this? Cucumbers, zucchini. See you tomorrow, good night. What's up?